In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuillBot with Gmail for paraphrasing and summarizing. By the end, you'll know how to install the QuillBot Chrome extension and use it right inside your Gmail Compose window to rephrase and summarize your messages. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type QuillBot extension for Chrome. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store listing for the official QuillBot extension and open it. On that page, select Add to Chrome and confirm. Once it's installed, you're set. If you like, you can pin the extension in your toolbar to make the icon easier to find later, but that's optional. Next, head to Gmail. Click Compose to open a new message. Type the email you want to send in your normal, natural voice. When you're ready to improve or reword it, highlight the section you want to refine. With the text selected, click the small QuillBot icon that appears in your Gmail editor or browser toolbar. From the options, choose Paraphrase it. QuillBot will take a moment to process, so give it a few seconds to load. The speed can vary depending on your connection and the length of the text. When the paraphrased version appears, review it to ensure it captures your intent and tone. If you like it, copy the result and paste it back into your email, replacing the original text. You can always tweak the wording after pasting to better match your voice or your recipient's expectations. If you want a shorter version of the same message, you can summarize it. Highlight the text again, click the QuillBot icon, and in the prompt field type a simple instruction like summarize it. Then select Change Text with AI. After a brief loading period, you'll see a concise summary. Copy that summary and paste it into your email where you need it, at the top as a quick overview or in place of the longer message, depending on your goal. A few quick tips as you work. Always proofread the final text for clarity, accuracy, and tone. Make sure the paraphrase still sounds like you. And avoid pasting any sensitive information into external tools unless you're comfortable with how your data is handled. With this workflow, you can polish emails faster, keep messages clear, and save time on drafting. That's it. You've just integrated QuillBot with Gmail and learned how to paraphrase and summarize right from your inbox.